Welcome to Product Critique,
where we bring you the best in outdoor decor.
Today, we're diving into the Teamson home wall-mounted Lionhead Stone LED outdoor water fountain.
If you're looking to transform your garden or patio into a tranquil oasis, this might just be the perfect addition. This fountain stands out not just for its striking lionhead design but also for its practical features that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Crafted from durable resin, the fountain exudes an antique bronze finish, adding a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. Its dimensions of 18.31 inches in length, 9.65 inches in width, and 32.1 inches in height make it a substantial yet manageable piece for most settings.
Installation is straightforward, and the fountain includes a built-in water pump that ensures a smooth, continuous flow of water. Plus, with the LED lighting feature, it creates a captivating display at night, truly transforming your outdoor environment into a serene retreat. Whether it's mounted on a garden wall, enhancing your patio, balcony, or even indoors,
this fountain is designed to complement various spaces while adding a soothing ambiance.
What sets this fountain apart is its lightweight construction, making it easy to install without compromising on durability.
It's not just about aesthetics. It also helps mask unwanted noises, turning your outdoor area into a peaceful sanctuary.
Whether you're looking to upgrade your garden, patio, or balcony,
the Teamson home wall-mounted Lionhead Stone LED outdoor water fountain delivers both style and functionality.
Don't miss out on creating your own tranquil retreat with this stunning addition.